Hello everybody, welcome to Kalki Krishna Diary. If you are new on my channel, then I am Kalki. I do movie reviews, movie recommendations and movie analysis. Actually, you must be seeing two different pattern in my this entire video, because actually I had done a video about this particular topic that I'm going to talk about, but then yesterday I was supposed to upload it today, but then I thought ki no, I need to talk more about this, because first of all, let me tell you, if you want to share this video over here, you definitely can, because I also don't want you to listen anything about this particular thing. But if you are interested enough that you need to know what is really going today in 2020, which we are calling it liberal society or liberal mindset we are people living in, then please listen to this. I think it may interest you. So there is a so-called Indian matchmaking in streaming on Netflix. It is a Netflix original show. So the concept about this particular show is, there is a matchmaker who is a lady matchmaker who is going different cities and different to meeting different people from different people, different religion, different places, and she has the responsibility to matching their horoscope and their family background and everything. And they are like जो क्या बोलते हैं in Hindi, Odia, I think it is Madhyasthi, it is that kind of thing. It is a reality show basically, which you can say if you are watching Band Baja Bride from NDTV Good Times, it's that kind of thing. So the Seema auntie, in show everybody calls her like Seema auntie. She goes of everyone to each candidates, and she takes all the preferences, that what they like, what they don't like, what will be the future, what will be their future partner they are looking up to, and she creates a whole biodata, and then she searches for different people whom they can match. Well, the fun part is she is visiting different people, different family, different candidate, and you gonna meet with her in to so many different people, and all are very epic. I'll tell you. I'll talk about Seema auntie now. Seema auntie is an epic character I have ever seen. She, whenever she meets someone, she greets and she represents her as like, hello, I'm from Bombay, I'm Seema. I'm from Bombay, I'm Seema. I'm from Bombay. Hello, hi bua. I'm like, आप लोग शादियों में जाते हैं, वो लोग आंटीज जो नहीं होते, जो हर कोई आपके लाइफ में सर घुसाने के लिए हमेशा रेडी होता है, ये वही आंटी है, सीमा आंटी. आई मीन मुझे पता नहीं चलता है, वेन एवर शी एंटर्स एनीबडीज हाउस एंड शी सेज, आई रियली अंडरस्टैंड योर सिचुएशन, नाउ आई एम हियर इन योर लाइफ, एवरीथिंग विल बी शॉर्टेड. Seriously? There are a hell lot of different people in this entire show, and my favorite is Priti auntie. I mean, don't take it positively, it's not my positive kind of favorite. She is like, she has a 25-year-old son, and she's extremely worried about him. Her BP goes high because his son is not married yet. There is a lame excuse she's giving to her son. There's like, देखो बेटा, you need to get married as soon as possible, because just because you are not getting married, your elder brother is not thinking about his future. Once he'll get married, they will think about a baby. Then he'll say, Mom, what did I do? I'm not stopping anybody. And he's like, हाँ, but you are stopping ना, you are stopping us to choose the right girl for you. So ये लोग आपका शादी इंजॉय करके फिर जाके बच्चे करेंगे. So आपको बहुत जल्दी शादी करनी है. If you are watching this show, trust me, and if you are above 25 just like me, you will be thinking, अरे यार मेरा तो इतना लाइफ खराब हो गया है, इतना लाइफ खराब हो गया है मेरा. Yeah, just like her, just like Rani. You will be thinking just like Rani कि मेरे तो बहुत ज़िंदगी खराब हो गए. I'm not at the right track of my life just because I'm not married, and I need a Seema auntie in my life who can play matchmaker in my life. I mean, everybody is so frustrated in this show. Everybody is dying to get married, and this Priti auntie. Let me come to the point all over again. प्रीति आंटी, आपका प्रॉब्लम क्या है? आपका प्रॉब्लम क्या नहीं, बताइए आपका प्रॉब्लम क्या है? हो गया बेटे का शादी. आई विल गिव यू स्पॉइलर. एंड अगेन इफ आई टॉक अबाउट प्रीति आंटी, शी इज सेइंग दैट हमारे घर में लड़के से ज़्यादा लड़कियों को सेक्रीफाइस करना होता है. दैट काइंड ऑफ वैल्यू वी आर रेजिंग आवर चिल्ड्रन, एंड दैट काइंड ऑफ वैल्यू वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग फ्रॉम आवर डॉटर इन लॉ. आंटी वो वैल्यू नहीं होता है, वो कुछ और होता है जिसका वर्डिंग्स मेरे पास अभी है नहीं, ठीक। आई मीन ये सही है, आपने डिसाइड किया कि आपके बच्चों को 23 से 25 के अंदर शादी कर लेनी चाहिए। इफ़ दे आर नॉट फाइंडिंग देयर राइट मैच देन यू आर डिप्रेस्ड, योर बीपी इज हाई, योर फैमिली मेम्बर इज वेयरिंग व्हाट काइंड ऑफ क्लोथ्स, you don't mind about that, but your बहू has to be absolutely traditional. प्रीति आंटी को और भी एक चीज़ चाहिए कि लड़की, that girl has to be 5.3 और above that. She is very particular about this. One question to प्रीति आंटी, आपको बहू चाहिए कि इंडियन आर्मी के लिए आप कुछ कर रहे हो, मतलब कुछ सिलेक्शन कर रहे हो क्या, इतना ही हाइट चाहिए, मतलब ऐसा थोड़ी ना होता है। एंड वन मोर थिंग, शी इज फाइनलाइजिंग ए गर्ल हु इज़ फ्रॉम उदयपुर एंड हुज नेम इज़ राधिका, एंड हर सन इज सेइंग कि और ऐसे कैसे होगा, सी इज़ अ CA एंड शी डजंट वांट टू बी ए होम मेकर, ऐसे कैसे होगा। अब अगर वो होम मेकिंग नहीं करेगी तो बच्चों को कौन संभालेगा।
ओ भाई, मारो मुझे, मारो मुझे, मारो।
And when it comes to girl, Seema aunty again explains, you know, that girl will be very suitable for you because she looks very beautiful. By looking, she is very, very good. Her height is 5.4 or above, so that is a good height. And she is absolutely homely, very nice, very sweet, very suitable for all kind of family, very traditional, very cultured, and very well behaved. So I think that kind of girl will be absolutely suitable for your family. Oh my god, really? There is a girl called Aparna who is from Texas. She is a lawyer and she is very particular about the kind of future husband she wants. And I want to ask her, she is saying that I hate comedy. I don't want somebody who has humor. Okay, ये थोड़ा नया kind of demand है. I never had seen somebody is asking that I don't like humor. Okay, fine, personal preferences, but the kind of girl she is, and I really wanted in the show, if I would be the matchmaker, I don't care if my career is going to be flashed, I would be doing मैं प्रीति आंटी और अपन्ना दोनों को मिला लेती, एंड आई बी लाइक हैविंग ए बकेट फुल ऑफ पॉपकॉर्न एंड ईटिंग एंड वो एंजॉइंग द शो कि अभी लड़ो 2020, यही होगा असली इलेक्शन। आई मीन I'm sorry. Oh my god. This show is hilarious, and if you are thinking that some people are getting knocked by this show, then trust me, you need to check out some videos of Scoop Up. I'm linking that down below. You need to check the spoiler alert. किसी के साथ कोई किसी का भी शादी नहीं होता है, मतलब it is क्या है, like it is there is a friend of mine who says it's perfectly that this is a Netflix version of आसारा वालों को। there is, I really want to ask one question to Netflix, पैसे के लिए क्या कुछ भी करोगे? Like when it comes to Netflix India, there is something they are doing very good, but there are also something which are pathetic. I mean, Netflix India sometimes sucks. Why? I mean, don't you get contents? I mean, there must be so many people who must be coming to you with their content to sell you. Get them if the content is good enough. Why you are spending your time, money to such contents which is problematic and which can damage your brand value? You need to understand it. I mean, this is pathetic, horrifying. Please guys, do not watch this show. I mean, it can like ये आपके दिमाग को हानिकारक, बहुत हानिकारक बनाने के लिए काफ़ी है। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग। इफ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो, प्लीज गिव इट अ थम्स अप एंड प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल सो दैट आई कैन मेक मोर सच वीडियोज। एंड नेटफ्लिक्स, प्लीज 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 डोंट अपलोड सच कंटेंट्स। इट इज़ डिस्गस्टिंग।